So hi everyone, in this video we will going to create a CSS animation on the HTML page. Okay, so basically first we are creating right now the HTML page. Okay, so basically we want to give an animation to the division tag. Okay, so this tag having a class as content. Okay, so first of all align the body in the middle. For that we are taking display as flex and flex direction as column. Everything is there, right? So this will do it. Now we want to give we want to add animation on the container on the division tag, which is having class as container. So we are setting the height and width there. Now the border, okay, as solid black. Now it changes to the 20 pixel. Okay, so just we will do some stuff with the border. Okay, so that's why we're taking it. Now the border radius, okay, so we need to give the border radius as well, so it will become spherical. Okay, 100 pixels. So it has been done, right? So add the animation property attribute here. So give the name of the animation as move. Mention the time up to which the animation should run. So we have taken as 1 second. Okay, then add keyframes using this property and mentioning the animation name move we are giving, and we are starting it under the curly braces. So when it is at 25%, okay, so it should be the border top color should be of gold. Okay, so you can see here when it reaches to the 50%, okay, when the animation reaches to the 50%, its border right color should be gold. Okay, so that's why we are mentioning it. So likewise, when it reaches to 75%, we will mention the border bottom color as gold. Okay, so you can see accordingly this what we are changing here, the animation taken place. Okay, so this is the overall animation. Okay, so this is how we can do the animation. You can add the transform, then scale also here. Scaling it scaling, you can increase and decrease the size of the element. Okay, so you can see it. You can see it one by one. You can set it. You can see I am setting is 1.25 at the 25%, at 50%, 1.5 at 75%, 1.75. Okay, so this way guys we can do it. Now we don't need it, so we are deleting it. Okay, this is done. You can also rotate. Okay, so you can see when we start rotating, it has been rotating. So first of all, at the 25%, we want the element should be rotated in the clockwise direction in 45 degree. Okay, so at 50% we are measuring 90 degree, at 75% we are measuring 135 degree, and when it is reaching at 100%, we want it should be rotated at 180 degree. Okay, so this way it can be run. We are changing the border radius also, so it will become complete circular. Okay, so you can see this way we can add the animation. Okay, you can also change the properties of the element, okay, at the particular period. Okay, so you can see I am changing it 100% and 75%. What the effect you can see on the screen. Okay, so this way guys we can also do it. So the main key point is that you should add the animation attribute of CSS on the tag in which you want to create an animation. Okay, so this way we can do it. Okay, so this is all about the animation. You can see 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. So these are the code blocks in which you can mention your properties and attributes and change them accordingly. Okay, so you can mention at 25%, this should be this. You can mention it 50%, this should be that. Okay, so in this way you can change it. Okay, so now I'm adding one more property there. Okay, translating. Okay, So translation is basically moving the element from its initial position to the desired position. So at first, at the 25%, I want the element should be translate to right side at 100 pixel. Okay, so it is being there. At the 50%, we are adding the y direction also, so it will be moving down. At the 70%, it will come back to its initial position, but with the y direction is 100 pixel. So in the square way, it will be translate. Okay, so hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.